New World Order.
Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, have rapidly become a cornerstone of modern agriculture. These organisms, whose genetic makeup has been altered in laboratories, are engineered for specific traits like herbicide resistance or increased pest resistance. While proponents tout them as a solution to global food security, concerns about their long-term safety and environmental impact continue to grow. This video will delve into the shocking truth about GMOs, exploring their potential risks and the lack of transparency surrounding their use. The introduction of GMOs into our food supply has been swift and largely unregulated. Despite limited independent research on their long-term effects, GMOs are now found in a vast majority of processed foods. This widespread adoption raises serious questions about the potential consequences for human health and the environment. As we delve deeper into the world of GMOs, we will uncover unsettling truths that the biotech industry would rather keep hidden. A handful of genetically modified crops dominate the global market, making their way into countless food products. Soybeans engineered for herbicide tolerance represent a significant portion of GMO cultivation. Corn, another staple crop, has been genetically modified to produce its own insecticide, raising concerns about its impact on beneficial insects and soil health. Cotton, primarily grown for its fiber, is also widely genetically modified, with potential implications for the textile industry and consumers. Rapeseed, used in canola oil production, is another major GMO crop, further solidifying the dominance of genetically engineered plants in our food system. The sheer scale of their production means that avoiding these GMO giants is becoming increasingly difficult for consumers. This dominance raises critical questions about the lack of diversity in our food supply and the potential vulnerability of relying on a handful of genetically engineered crops. One of the most concerning aspects of GMOs is the lack of rigorous, independent, long-term safety testing. While biotech companies conduct their own studies, these are often shrouded in secrecy and raise concerns about potential conflicts of interest. Independent scientists attempting to investigate the potential health risks of GMOs often face roadblocks in obtaining funding and materials for their research. The lack of transparency surrounding GMO safety testing is a major red flag, leaving consumers in the dark about the potential long-term effects of consuming these genetically engineered foods. Regulatory agencies tasked with overseeing GMOs often rely on data provided by the very companies that stand to profit from their approval. This cozy relationship between the biotech industry and regulatory bodies raises serious questions about the adequacy of current safety protocols. Without independent long-term studies, consumers are left to act as guinea pigs in a massive, uncontrolled experiment. Despite claims of safety, a growing body of evidence suggests that GMOs may pose significant risks to human health. Some studies have linked GMO consumption to an increase in allergies, digestive issues, and other health problems. While more research is urgently needed, these findings are concerning and highlight the potential consequences of tampering with the genetic makeup of our food. The lack of long-term studies makes it difficult to fully assess the potential health risks, leaving many questions unanswered. The environmental impact of GMOs is another area of serious concern. The widespread use of herbicide-tolerant crops has led to an alarming increase in herbicide use, with devastating consequences for biodiversity, soil health, and water quality. Furthermore, the emergence of herbicide-resistant superweeds threatens to undermine the very technology that GMOs were designed to promote. The unintended consequences of GMOs are becoming increasingly apparent, highlighting the need for a more cautious and sustainable approach to agriculture. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the New World Order channel.